Hey guys, and welcome to another video. This is a quick tip about how you can access the variables in your blueprints in the scene. Here I have a very simple blueprint, and when I want to change the value of a variable in the blueprint, I have to open it up, select the variable, and then change the value here and compile. We don't have access to the variable here in the details panel in our editor. In this video, I'll show you how to make your variables appear here in the details tab so you don't have to go to the blueprint when you want to tweak them. In order to do that, you just need to select the variable and in the details panel, check instance editable. Compile and save, and when you go to the level editor and select the blueprint, you can see the variable in the details tab. Another thing worth mentioning is that here you can make a category for your variables, and this way you can organize them in the details panel in the scene. For example, let's make a category and name it player status and then put 3 variables inside it. I have health, stamina and armor, and now you can see that they are all in the player status category. Also keep in mind that the values here are instances, meaning that they only change for the actor placed in the level and won't change the value for the blueprint itself. Here you can see that when I change the value for the armor here, the value for the main blueprint is still on its default value, and I have only changed it for this actor here. This is pretty much how you can access your variables outside of the blueprint editor and tweak their values easily here in the level editor. Thank you guys for watching, and if you found this video useful, please leave a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next one.